Good shit, right?
Let me see what we got here. This is, let me see the name of it. All right, so this will protect you against cuts.
We're hoping. We're hoping.
All right,
That's
so
the hope.
if you fall and you taco this thing and land on that,
Or the scalp.
or the scalpel and samurai sword, the things on your legs, on your feet, and on your arms will protect you.
Hopefully.
Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at your rig. All right, are you gonna go out or are you waiting for Kurt?
Yeah, as soon as Kurt comes.
All right, well, we're gonna do a whole documentary on your first day getting up.
First day out.
What is this here?
Can't wait.
So that's the cut?
Yeah.
In case you get wrapped up in something?
Which is inevitable for the first day.
Yeah. And then there's the parachute over there. There it is right here. You can get this on Amazon?
Yeah.
You buy it on Amazon. Damn it. I can't wait to see you do it out there.
Good to go.
What's up, baby?
Today we got Kurt Hoffman. He's gonna go winging. And
First time.
his first time. He's never tried it before. This is his first day.
Like a long time ago. It beats in it. It's something if you're floating.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
All right.
keep everything out of the line.
Yeah.
You know, just keep everything out, get out where it's clean, and then where it's deep enough to put your foot on.
Yeah.
And then go out a little
Leash.
more because you're gonna end up heading towards that buoy. Like you're gonna head kind of towards that buoy, but I mean just head straight out first or whatever, and kind of go with the current. And we'll probably get
Might
out to
see if I can drag out, throw it over.
Yeah, you can try. I guess there is some south on that. It's coming from south, a little bit southeast.
It's south northeast, west wind today.
We got south, west, northeast. We got west, east.
Look,
I like them.
this is his. This keeps the board close so he doesn't lose it. And this is his parachute, and he works it with one arm. It's a one-arm situation. And we're just going to get up and foil today. All right, let's foil this.
Let's do this shit.
Trying to keep the kite in the air. That's a 3-meter fairway. Fall, don't fall. He's up.